Linking your bank to Bluevine payments is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create a Bluevine account. Visit the Bluevine website and sign up for an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Access the banking section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, is worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Look for the option to link a bank account. Click on it to begin the process of connecting your external bank account to your Bluevine account. Step 4. Enter your bank detail. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your bank's routing number and your account number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Bluevine may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Bluevine into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to Bluevine payments, allowing you to manage your transactions seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, refer to Bluevine's customer support for assistance.